So earlier we were also talking about design as sort of like a creative pursuit of humans that can better satisfy our needs. Would you like to talk at all about design's practical role that in your life and also how our society values design, I suppose?
Yeah, I want to start off by saying that when I was in the ninth grade, I had an experience that keyed me to an understanding that a lot of the um, things that we need to change can be changed through design. Everything in the world around us that we've created was created through the process of design. And design gives us the capability of problem solving, thinking through, and coming up with solutions based on the solutions to those problems. One of the precepts in design is form follows function, meaning that if we want to come to a solution, follow the form, follow the way that things work, and that'll bring us to some solutions. Anyway, that design, I see it as one of the crucial tools that we can use to express our imagination to create new solutions in this world. And I encourage young people and anybody really to explore their imaginations and to explore your design sensibility. You don't have to be a design major. You don't have to have studied, design in school to use your mind and explore, some design ideas. Really, design is all around us, and we. Every time we come up with a new solution to something or create, create a different way of doing something, it was by design. And so, it's really a simple thing. I don't want to overcomplicate what design is. It's really a simple thing. But really, in the long run, it's applying our intentionality and our integrity towards problem solving. And I was exposed to Buckminster Fuller when I was in ninth grade as a designer and as someone who was using design as a solution-driven process. And therefore, I went and studied design in college, and it's helped me to understand and also look at the problems we have in the world from a perspective of how we can create real solutions by technology, by engineering, by the objects and the things that we manifest through our capability of design. So as a designer, I can honestly say that I've spent over, majority of my life invested in what are solutions, what are design concepts towards improving quality of life and without destroying the integrity of our relationship with nature. And I definitely feel like, some of my design solutions have real viability and are, things that will make a real difference. I'm not the only person in this world. There's lots of people like me in this world. And one of the things that I see is that we're individuals. I'm not working for a corporation. I'm not working for an educational think tank or whatever. But sometimes some of the best ideas or ingenuity come from folks who are just, invested in solving problems. And there are people like that all over the world. And it's people like us that need to be supported and given the ability to at least explore the viability and feasibility of the solutions that we've come up with towards really making a difference. I read an article one time that was saying, if we just unleashed design students and art students towards solving major problems, that we could come up with so many solutions. And I actually believe that's actually true. I've met so many art students and design students that have come up with so many creative ideas, but so many of them will never see the light of day because there's no real way of getting those ideas to the to where to a developed place where they need to be. And that's why I would like to see entities like Architects of a New Dawn, Bioneers, and other organizations really help bring this discussion, individuals together, resources together, where we're starting to see the implementation of creative, innovative ideas, testing them out in the real world, and then applying them into real world situations where they can make a real difference in people's lives. The time is now. This is the time that we live in right now. This is the time of change. These are the types of changes that we need to make, and we don't have the luxury of waiting. There was a poet laureate, her name is June Jordan, she's passed away, but as she said in one of her poems, we are the ones we've been waiting for. And if we don't take it upon ourselves to do what we're capable of in this time, I say shame on us, for wasting the opportunity. This is the challenge that's in front of us today.
Awesome. Well, thank you very much for coming on, Lowell.
Thank you so much for having me, and I look forward to our further discussions.